Greetings. I'm going to help walk you through theme statements as you move forward with hopefully writing your essay. So a theme is an underlying lesson that returns throughout a text. It's a lesson that the audience should learn, all right? So a theme makes an insightful statement about human nature, life, or the world. A bigger message to the reader, to the audience, okay? A problem within the text, a relationship within the text, or even an object within the text might symbolize what the theme might be. Theme is never directly stated in the text. Readers or the audience must use characters, conflict, setting, and other elements within the text that the author or the creator provides in order to support the theme. Please don't confuse the topic, subject, or motif with theme. Those three words are interchangeable. Topic, subject, motif, those three things are kind of the same, okay? So if you hear topic, it's the same as if I meant subject or motif, okay? Topic, subjects, motifs are words like love or adolescence or good and evil, right? These are topics or ideas that are happening within the text that repeat again and again and again, right? Notice, what's something that happens again and again and again in your text, right? Those are topics, subjects, or motifs. And now we want to put that together with what the author wants the audience to learn about these topics, subjects, or motifs, okay? A theme statement is a complete sentence that represents the underlying meaning of a text. It's a complete sentence. A theme statement is a complete sentence, okay? Theme statements are bigger than the specific book or story or song or film. You want to think about a larger message or lesson. You do, however, need specific evidence from the text to support your theme statement. Really, really important. You will use specific evidence from the text to support your theme statement. So, to determine your theme, after you finish a text, sum up the text in 3 words or less. You want to try for 1 word? That makes it really easy. This is your subject, right? What is the one thing that the text is about, right? Remember, it's not text specific. You want something that repeats again and again and again. Go back to the topic, motif, subject, all right? Then you're going to stretch this single word into a message, and I'm going to teach you how to do that next. If you notice that an object is a symbol in a text, think about any possible deeper meanings of that object. That's if you want to get really complicated and complex with your writing and analysis. Best way to do it is this. Things that you need to consider. You want to identify the thoughts and feelings of the protagonist. Are these thoughts or feelings repeated? What actions occur because of these thoughts and feelings? Or what does the protagonist learn? How does the protagonist change? Be aware of any objects or symbols that are repeated and how the characters interact with these objects. Again, that's the more complex, complicated direction that you can go with theme. So here is the formula that will make things so much easier for you as you move forward, okay? If you're not sure where to go, here is where you start. You're going to write your theme statement by taking the subject or the topic or the motif and add that to what the author's message is about the subject or the topic or motif, right? And you're going to write a complete sentence with those 2 things. Or you can take the subject, topic, or motif and what the author wants the reader to learn about the subject, topic, or motif, and that will get you a theme statement. Themes are not directions. Don't fall in love too fast is an example of what theme is not. Themes are not about specific people. Romeo is immature. That's not a theme statement. Instead, theme statements are universal. Sometimes they're cliches, like love hurts, okay? Ideally, you don't want to use a cliche when writing a theme statement. All right, here's an example. Harry Potter. If you haven't seen Harry Potter, this is a kind of a universal theme that occurs in a lot of different texts in our world. Love is stronger than hate can be seen in this film, right? It's not text specific, right? And the reader and viewer can find evidence from the text that supports this theme statement. throughout the text, there's a lot of evidence between that supports love is stronger than hate. All right, so lastly, what you're going to do is you're going to practice with a familiar text. You're going to practice with Pixar's Lifted, okay? I want you to review it from lesson 2, and then think about what themes, what topics, what motifs, what subjects, what is it represented in here? What do you see again and again and again? Then I want you to write a theme statement. What does the author, what does the creator want the audience to learn or know because of this text? And then find 2 specific examples that support your theme statement. If you have questions, let me know. I will help however I can.